Hi children. So this is your English book for your class 5. So today we are going to start the first unit. So this first unit contains two subdivisions. That is, one is your poem, The Ice Cream Man, and second one is a prose, that is a lesson, that is Wonderful Waste. So today we are going to see The Ice Cream Man poem. So let's move on to the poem. It's a very easy and interesting poem. So every children, the entire universe likes what? Ice cream. So ice cream is the most favorite thing for each and every children, and it is colorful. It has a wonderful taste. So you all like ice creams very much. So now it is a poem describing about an ice cream man who is selling ice creams. So see, there is a picture of ice cream man who is selling what? Ice creams and cool drinks, like different kinds of different flavored drinks which he is selling. He is selling what? Both ice creams and nice cool frosty drinks. So all the children are very happy. They are very happy to see the ice cream man and his cart, so that they can buy ice creams and they can eat. So this is the description. It's a very easy poem. So see, let me just see. What is cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? So it's very easy. You can easily guess that is ice cream. So everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. So everybody likes an ice cream when it is very hot and the climate is very very hot, and it is you definitely need something cold to ease the temperature. So everybody likes to drink cool things and eat ice creams. But you children like ice cream 24/7 and all 12 months. You people like ice creams to eat even when it is raining also. So it doesn't matter the fact about you people, and everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. Because see children, nowadays we can get ice creams in the stores. We can go and get an ice cream in ice cream bars and ice cream parlors everywhere. But it was not in the same case like 4 or 5 years back. When we were children, we used to have one ice cream man who used to bring a cart, and he used to come on the streets and he used to push that vehicle, and when he is coming, he'll make some kind of a noise like a bell sound or some kind of a noise, and when we hear that sound itself, we'll know that the ice cream man is coming. We'll be so happy and we'll come and we'll buy the ice creams. The only means where you can buy ice cream is when an ice cream man comes, not like today, this modern era where you can, if you want ice cream, you can go buy it in the stores. Not like that. It was not the case before. So this ice cream man is a favorite person, and he used to come roam around in the streets to buy ice creams. So when summers in the city, so it is what season it is? It is summer season, and when summer is in the city and brings a blaze of heat, that is, it is very hot. It is very hot, and it is what? The temperature is very high, and it is summer. The ice cream man with his little cart. So the ice cream man with his little cart, that is the cart which you saw here. See, you can see the handle here, and there is wheels here. So this is the cart which the ice cream man used to pull, and he used to come in the streets with this. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Trundling means moving, children. The actual meaning of this word trundling means moving. But here in this poem, it means that how he moves that vehicle, that is that truck, and he is moving from one in the streets. That kind of a movement is described in this poem. So tell me, what is the meaning of the word trundling? It's moving. Okay. So let's move on to the first paragraph again. We'll just revise it again. Just a minute. Yeah. When summer is in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So this is the first paragraph. So it is summer, it is very hot, and the ice cream man is moving. Trundling means moving. He is moving in the streets with his little cart, which is filled with what? Ice creams. Yes. So next, let's move on to the second paragraph. Beneath his round umbrella. So the ice cream cart has one round umbrella which is attached to his cart. Oh, what a joyful sight. So you can imagine, like, when your mother or father buys beautiful, which is most favorite for all the children. Most probably 90% of you will like a chocolate flavor. So when you see the chocolate flavor ice cream in your mother or father's hand, when they buy it from the store and gives to you, that time you will find that as a most joyful sight. So like I said, when it was not same as you, it was not easy for anyone to buy ice creams in like 5-10 years before. The ice cream man, when he's coming, that will be the most joyful sight, because that is the only means where you can buy ice creams. So there is a umbrella which is attached to his cart, and it was a wonderful sight to see the ice cream man, because all the children will be very happy to see him fill the cones with mounds. See, the cones with mounds means the ice cream cone is in this shape, that is the cone, and the round bulge figure, which is the ice cream which is filled on the top of the cone, is the mounds. That is the mounds. Okay. So of cooling brown and white. So tell me, what is the flavor which is brown in color? Chocolate. And what is the flavor which is white in color? Vanilla. So beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of brown and white, which is cool in nature. That is the ice cream scoops. So see, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. Like I said, the ice cream man did not have only the ice creams, but he had what? He had some chilly, frosty things also, cool drinks, which is different color. So he had that also for sales. So wait a minute. Yeah. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are all flavors which are different flavors which he has for sales. Or chilly things to drink, which is filled in bottles. From bottles full of frosty fizz. See, frosty fizz means, frosty means it is cold in nature. Fizz means some kind of a bubble. When you drink, to be very precise, when you drink Pepsi or 7-Up or Miranda, some kind of fizzy bubbles will come inside the bottle, right children? That is called fizz. That is, frosty fizz means it is cold, cool in nature, and it has some kind of a fizz, that is coolly bubbles within that drink. So that drink is filled in the bottles, which is frosty fizz. So green, orange, white, or pink. So it is green in color, orange in color, white in color, or pink in color. So he has lot of different flavors of ice creams, and he also has different flavors of frosty drinks also. His cart might be a flower bed. See, when you get a bouquet from the flower shop, imagine you are getting a bouquet. So there will be lot of flowers, and it will be different colors of flowers will be there in a bouquet. Why? Because it will be colorful, it will look good. The same way, this poet is saying his ice cream cart might be like what? It's a flower bed. So where in a garden, we'll just imagine a flower bed which is there in the garden, and you have different kind of flowers which is being planted there. So rose will be there, lily will be there, so daffodils will be there. So all different kind of flowers and different kind of color, different kind of fragrance, different kind of size, shape. So like that, like a flower bed, his cart is having different kind of flavors of ice creams and like different kinds of cool drinks for the children to get. So the poet is comparing his ice cream cart to a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. So why he is comparing this ice cream cart to a flower bed means, see, when there are lot of flowers which are very sweet, which are colorful, what will come near the flowers? honeybees. So there will be lot of honeybees which is surrounding that area, and everybody will be, all the honeybees will be very eager to see beautiful flowers filled with nectar, which is sweet. The same way, this ice cream man is coming with his cart which is filled with colorful ice creams, different flavors of ice creams, different kinds of ice creams, and different variety of frosty fizz drinks in the bottles, which is green, orange, white and pink in color. So children are like honeybees coming and gathering around his cart to buy ice creams. So that's why the ice creams are compared to the flower bed and the children are compared to the honeybees. So I hope you understand, children. Let us revise. Now you read along with me. When summers in the city, so the summer is very hot and brings a blaze of heat. So the climate is very hot. So the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So the ice cream man is moving around with his little cart filled with ice creams and drinks in the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight, to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla chocolate strawberry or chilly drinks to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So different variety of ice creams and different variety of drinks. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet bees, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So like a flower bed which has different variety of flowers, different fragrance, different flavors, different smell filled with nectar. His ice cream cart also has different variety of chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream filled with nectar like sweet ice creams and drinks, where the honey, like honeybees, the children come and cluster around to buy the ice cream and enjoy in this hot summer season. So it is written by Rachel Field. She is a famous novelist and a poet in America. Okay, children. So I hope you understand this poem. Okay, thank you, children.